Good afternoon, class, and welcome to my online class CIC 2601. Computers integration in a classroom. So the topic that I've chosen is the different kind of soils. So we get different kind of soils. For instance, clay, sand, and loam. But the most important question is, what is soil? Soil is the top of the earth crust. It's made out of the weather, rocks, or organic matters, plus the water and the air and all living things. So like I said, we get different kind of soils. But what is important about these different kind of soils? So soil we use for growing plants, for example. And from these plants, we get our 95% of food that we eat every day, like for instance, vegetables, fruits, citrus, and all that other food that we get. And why is it also important is that we use it to building houses, but not so much for building houses. It's either for making bricks out of these different kind of soils. Or you must have seen that some construction workers are using the sand, for instance, to mix with a cement for them to be able to stick to the bricks. But also that same bricks is made out of soil. And why is it important? Like I said, it's important first thing to provide us with food and also important for our habitat. Like for instance, homes, ants is living in these kind of soils. And these kind of soils also have manufacturers. How is it made? How does it feel like? Let's start with sandy soil. It's a big rough, granted, grain. It feels gritty and falls apart very quickly. It drains water very quickly, very fast, and dry very quickly. On the other hand, the clay soil. It is tiny, flat, and sticky. How does it feel? It feels very smooth when it's wet. Very hard when it's dry and crack very easily. How the water gets longing. On the other hand, the loam is the mix of the soil, the sandy soil and the clay. It's crumbled, it's dark brown and hold its shape. Also holding the water for very long. The air it's good air. Sandy soil is very good air also. The clay also it's not so good. Let me say it's middle air. but the loam is quite good at. So all these different kind of soils plays a big part in our everyday life, and it's very useful for different kind of people who work with it. Like for instance, the farmers, they use the soil to provide the food that we are eating every day. On the other hand, the constructions use it for building houses or shelters or big buildings. But every saint has a different kind of role that they played. And these things are all good for us, for our habitat. And it is important for us to be able to live. This kind of soils provide us many things, but we will get there soon enough. And for now, I'm going to focus on doing an assessment very quick. Only 4 to 5 questions each, and it will be very easy because it will be multiply questions where you just have to choose either B, A, B or C. So we're going to focus on the importance of soil, what is in soil, what is soil, and how is it made. Until next time, good day. We'll be coming back focusing on where can we find these different kind of soil. Thank you.